Okay, well, that wasn't a pause. That was a total... Why is my camera tilted? Oh, my camera's doing all sorts of weird crap. That was a total stop, but that's okay. Yes, if you're wondering, I do this every single day. This is the life of a farmer. And when it is hot, you make what you do, what you can, when you can. I don't think so. Put your ass back in there. Looks like it rained. Alright, I gotta pause you again. But we're gonna water this. Hold on. Look. See, the fountain does work. Oh, that's so not where it needs to be. Come on, go back in the center. Alright. Hummingbirds have food. Well, hello, sir. What do you think you're gonna get into? Sure shit ain't my chickens. Alright, what do we got for bird food? We have one feeder that's full, the other one the squirrel stole. Alright, so the outdoor birds had their fountain, water's out front. Everything else is out back. Hi, cannoli loli. Do we have any berries over there? Are you like eating them all? Yeah, that grew over from my neighbor's yard. As did all of that. Is all coming over from my neighbor's yard. Frustrating, but look, it looks like the girls will have their blackberries soon. And they can eat the leaves, they can eat the berries, it won't hurt them. Alright, girls, stay cool today. Hydrate. If you need to run into the coop for a little bit of shade, please do. Stay careful. I love you all. That's Tyson. Her sister's somewhere. I don't know where Purdue is. Ow! Freckles! Stop pecking mommy. Freckles. Freckles, don't you do it. There's my girls. Alright, chickens are fed, watered. Done. Why are we not closing now? Up front is all watered. Put my bucket back. Alright. Next is that, which I need to pause you. So that's what it looks like right now. And with the magic of TV, here's what it looks like after. Alright, now we just gotta water it. I'm gonna water everything out back. And voila! Blueberries. Very carefully water the strawberries. Woo! Alright, so we got blueberries, we got strawberries. We got our lemon balm. We got our peas. Do I have any peas yet? I do, I got, look. That's a teeny tiny baby pea. And garlic chives. Yeah, Sam, you're kind of in the way, honey. And the kale. And blackberries. Collard greens. Yeah. Peppers. Look at all the flowers. Holy Jeepers creepers. Cukes. I don't think the cukes have flowers yet. Look at all the tomatoes. Woo-wee. All right. Give you a little bit more of a drink. Water the memorial garden. All right, oregano, thyme, basil. Kick over your eggs. Sage, rosemary, which is looking really sad. Oh, Jesus. And Mr. Parsley. And I got dirt on my porch. Gross. And a princess. And a Cokie. Yeah, you guys can look at Cokie and Miss Cokie Loki and my Bahama Mama and Sammy while I reel up my damn hose. And my friends, I have now, whoa, hello, can we not? Alright. Yeah, so we got 4 sad little legs today, but that's alright. As hot as it is, the fact that they're laying at all is remarkable. Alright. Say hi, Sammy. Say hi, Coco. Say hi, Sammy. She says, I'm Sammy, hi. You coming, pretty? Alright, I'm going to pause you for one more second. Oh, Sammy, Sammy. Alright. Look at her, she's headed out. Did we forget me, Mommy? I would never forget you. And cheese taxes paid. Yes, I'm documenting that your cheese taxes paid. Alright. So, that is my morning routine. Every morning, 365, 115 degree weather or negative 30 and 5 feet of snow. Does not matter. Well, although I don't have the garden in the winter. But yeah. And I need to mow my lawn again. Which just makes me sad. Let's see how the girls are doing. I gotta bring this water dish in and fill it for the dogs. Watch. Look at them. I mean, come on. Hold on. Ah, my chairs are all wet. How is that not relaxing and rewarding? I mean, just ignore the chicken crap. I mean, they're chickens. That's what they do. Look at them. They're just like, oh, yes. Oh, yes, Mommy. Oh, yes. Oh, it is lovely. We love this watermelon. We love our water. What is wrong with their water dish? Crap, I gotta put my shoes back on. I think something's wrong with their water dish. That doesn't look like it has water in it. Do I not put it level? That would suck if I had to redo that. Down we go. Around the corner. You know, oh no, it has water in it. Okay, it was just a reflection. They're good. Hi, Freckles. Hi, Ariana. Cannoli. Hermione. That is Tyson. That is Lime. That is... Oh shit, which Harry Potter character are you named after? I think Jenny. And Moni Myrtle. And what did I name you? See, this is the problem when you have as many chickens as I've had over the years. You forget what you name them. I want to say, oh, what the hell did I name you? She's on my business card. I should know her name, but I don't. I can't think of it right now. There's a couple inside. But Tyson and Purdue are my littles. But yeah, these are my girls. We're out doing our farm chores. Freckles, if you peck me, I swear to God, I am sending you to Chick-fil-A. Freckles, don't. Freckles. Freckles. Stop it. I'm going to touch you. I am going to touch you. Hi. I'm going to touch you too. Freckles. I think her name is Speckles. I think it's Freckles and Speckles are my black ones. My majestic girl. She's like, hello. Do not peck me, you little brat. She's like, hello, I am surveying my kingdom. It is all mine. I am the head chick of all the flock. This all belongs to me. Oh, Hermione, I love you. And my little red girl, whose name I can't say because, well, it's not particularly nice. I know I didn't name her. So, all right. So we got everything done. Woohoo! I don't have to come back outside today. Oh, my turtle fell over. No, Mr. Turtle, come back. Why can't I see Peanut? Peanut slid. Oh, King Nicholas. My sweet, sweet boy. I need a weed in here. That's just ridiculous. That is ridiculous. I can't even see all my stones. That's not a today problem. It's not going to be a ridiculously hot problem. Alright. Let's get dog some water out here. Look at her. She's like, hello, Mom. But Mom, you went outside without us. Why, yes. Yes, I did. A Cokey. Alright, we're gonna try. Oh. Yes, I haven't showered. I haven't gotten dressed. Don't judge. This is a judgment-free zone. I have nobody to impress but myself, and I think I'm just fine. Ugh, your water dish outside is gross. I can't believe they only gave me 4 eggs though. I mean, I get it. It's hot. I wouldn't want to lay an egg being a natural body temperature of 105 to 107 and have to push something out of my butt. I mean, I totally get it. But 4? Really, girls? Oh, maybe after the heat, though. Stop being on strike and I'll get more eggs. Not like I'm hurting for them. I think I have like 17 dozen in my fridge. Yeah, anyone in Western Mass need eggs, hit me up. You think I'm kidding? I'm not kidding. Oh, this month's calendar. My son got me this calendar, which is really just borderline phallic. It's made by this, it's the Cock Whisperer calendar, and no, not that kind, like the rooster kind. Brutus is a black copper marin. This is one massive cock. It's a challenge to get your hands around this monster. But once you do, he's an absolute pleasure. You have to see the picture. Hold on. See, it's really a chicken. That is Brutus. Oh, so yeah, so. Ay, ay, ay. So yes, you thought I was kidding? I can't believe I'm doing this. Yeah, I got a few eggs. Not kidding. I can prove it. I got the eggs, and there's more over there. Cat, you don't need to drink out of the sink. You have 4 freaking bowls of water. All right. I'm gonna take a break, and then figure out what order I want to attack my house, but at least outside is done before it got redonkulous. Because in the time that I was out there, it started out at 70 degrees, and in just the short time that I was out there, it is now 80. So it's getting hot, and it's getting hot fast. So I'm glad I did that when I did. They're saying by 9 o'clock it's going to be ridiculously hot here, and this girl was not built for the heat. I also wasn't built for extreme cold either. I mean, I can handle the cold because, you know, I can put on more layers. But I don't live alone, so clothing optional is not an option. Let me tell you, if I did not live alone yesterday, it would have been an option. So, right now we have Miss Coco and Miss Sam, and Billy ran away. I have no idea where Princess. I have no idea where my cats are. But yeah, so now I'm gonna take a quick break and attack my house before it gets redonkulous. But at least I already have dinner made, so I got that going for me. And hey, maybe today I'll actually make it to the shower. That would be nice. So, at any rate, with that said, have a very happy Thursday, and I will talk to you soon.